India amadi Pakistan ge brother sing da lairiba security force sing high alert ta lainaba khangankhre luhongba numit manga ni tangai riba navy officer ama yauna mioi kun gi mathakta hatok pikraba mifatta terrorist singi pahalgam attack adugi matungda Pakistan singna terrorist sing brother cross tawbada support tawi haibagi maral siraduna laukhalakkiba achauba action manga 1960 da India gi prime minister Jawaharlal Nehru amadi Pakistan gi president Ayub Khan moi ani gi matamdu da taunakhiba Indus Water Treaty asingarang khudakta suspend tawkre Indus Water Treaty asina Pakistan da mioi million kya maru oina agriculture amadi atopa hiram kya da sijinna halibani masi suspend tawkiba sina Pakistan gi mafam kharda agriculture da yamna chauna kaiba pigadori maru oina 𝗟𝗏𝗏 amadi Mangla hydropower plant ani sidasu yamna chauna akaiba oigadori Punjab ta lairiba atari checkpoint adusu thingjankhre hairiba checkpoint asi phauduna India Pakistan amadi Afghanistan trade taunarambani adubu makha tana Afghanistan gadi trade taunakhigani hairi 1992 da launch tawkiba South Asian Association of Region and Cooperation Visa Exemption Scheme isam samnas 𝗟𝗏𝗶𝗶 hairaga khangnaba scheme asigi makhada Pakistan sing India da lakpa yabagi visa issue tawramba dusu chatnakhidre 𝗟𝗏𝗶𝗶 ki visa pairaga India da lakhiba Pakistan sing pung 94 gi manungda India thadoknaba khanghankhre New Delhi Pakistani High Commission da lairiba Defense, Military, Navy, Air Force loinamak chayol amagi manungda India thadoknaba khanghankhre piriba matam asi May gi date 1 2025 phawbani Pakistan gi Islamabad Indian High Commission da lairiba Military, Navy, Air Force pumnamaksu lauthoknaba khanghankhre Pakistan gi oinasu National Security Committee amadi top official sing yauna pung aniro meeting tawraba matung pahalgam terror attack adubu awaba phongdokpaga loinana India laingakna legal justification tawdana retaliate action lakhali haibagi maral siraduna India ga sahi tawnakhiba agreement kya suspend tawkhre madugi manungda 1972 da India laiba ka sahi tawnakhiba Simla agreement amadi Indian singi oina sak visa exemption adusu suspend tawrakhre masita natana Indian flight singi airspace piramba adusu close tawsinkhre laiba ani asigi brother sing da lairiba security force sing high alert ta lainaba khanghankhre
Don't forget to like and subscribe.